Well, good morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning, February 3rd, and I'm doing my Sunday morning walkabout here. Taking a look at, whoa, boy, that sun is right in the camera there. Sorry about that, everybody. I got to watch kind of where I point it this morning. The clouds are gone and that, and to kind of keep the sun from coming in here. Well, it looks like we're going to have to, we're going to have to pick beans again today. So it looks like I'll be doing a little bit of canning. And that also, the beans are still looking good. The production has slowed down a little bit, but that's kind of got to be expected after a few weeks here. And on this side, the same thing. There's some there, not a lot. I've got a few stalks of corn here. I had some more. Wow, that almost looks ready to pick. I got a couple ears here, and maybe later on this week. And of course, my onions, as always, are doing so good. It doesn't seem like anything bothers the onions here. They grow no matter what. My ampalaya, yeah, still, like I said, look at all of the flowers, and hopefully, like I said, by covering them and that, we can save most of them. But yeah, still growing strong, still really growing strong. And walk over towards my mango field here. Kind of coming in the back way today. There's a lot of dew on the ground this morning. Like I said, we had a little bit of rain yesterday evening, and that, and so the grass and everything is kind of wet. What the little bit of rain did was raise the humidity. And that's about it. And I can see myself walking through here that the grass is really wet this morning. And again, the coffee trees that were planted. Kind of take a walk down here. Yeah, take a good look at that. One of the coffee trees. There's some new growth coming there, so they seem to be doing okay, all of them, and that, which is good. The new compost rows that we just built up here yesterday, and that are doing real good. And that, I still got two more up on top here that have to be carried over. And of course, our road project over the course of the last week or two, and everything seems to be looking really good there. It's actually nice to come out to the road now and it's so nice and clean and clear, and a job that really needed to be done here a couple of years ago, but it's one of those things you keep putting it off and putting it off, and I kind of have priorities here, and that wasn't in the priorities, so, but we finally got her done. And you know, you kind of take care of the important stuff at first and then go from there. and take a walk down by our well here. Already looks like well, the water's still up a little bit, so probably about 2 feet in there, so enough to be able to pump. As I get on the path here, a lot less flowers down here for the beans, and of course a lot less beans this go around. Still, if you can see, people, all the flowers still coming here. Yeah, just I'm still amazed at this rice field here that we turned into a bean field, and from the way it looks, yeah, I definitely need to harvest beans today again. As you can see here, oh boy, down the line here, all the beans hanging. Pretty amazing. And like I said, I've got some jars in there yet, and we'll do a little bit of canning. I've got 23 jars already, and I've got some pint jars coming from Lazada that should be here this week. And then of course down into our amazing absolutely amazing pepper field here with all the bell peppers. I found a couple that were starting to spoil yesterday, so we'll be picking bell peppers today. And I'm going to kind of look and see if there's what I have to do to in order to maybe can a